Number 20, Rojo inside. 2 points by number 20, Rojo. Number 30, Gomez. Inside pass to number 20, Rojo inside. 4 points by number 20, Rojo. Here comes number 9. Number 9, pull up jumper. 2 points by number 9. Number 30, Gomez. Pass to the corner, number 20, Rojo. 2 points by number 20, Rojo. Gomez, and the shoot. Good screen by number 88. Gomez, still drop shot. It's good. Number 30, Gomez. Pass inside. Good layup. Won't go. Rebound again by number 11 inside. 2 points by number 11. Number 11 in transition. Number 11. Shot. And one. Number 11. Nice pass inside. 2 points by number 9. Number 9 side step move. Binigay ni number 11 inside. 2 points by number 11. 25 seconds. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na ulit. Number 19. Number 15 po play. And 3. 10 seconds. Nakahabol na lang to. Binigay ni number 8. Bonus. Bonus. Foul counted. Number 24. Veteran move. Basket by number 24. Pass to Rojo. Number 20 Rojo. 2 points by number 88 Bonus. Number 24. Veteran move inside. 2 points by number 24. Number 24. Still keep it up. Number 9. What a shot. 2 points by number 9. Here comes number 11. Number 11. Side step and walk. Empty layup. Let's go. 2 points by number 11. By number 15. Nice pass to Gomez. 2 points by Gomez. Gomez. Gomez with the straight pass. Number 15 again for 3. Number 19. Step out of the line. Here comes number 30 Gomez. Gomez. 2 points by number 30 Gomez. Number 19. Tapos na ang konti. Number 30. 2 points by number 30 Gomez. Number 30 Gomez. Number 30 Gomez. Number 30 Gomez. Pass to number 88. 2 points by number 88 Gomez. Pass to number 30 Gomez. Number 30 Gomez. Easy layup by number 30 Gomez. To number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Side step move. Foul counted. Sario. Pass to number 9 again. Pass to number 17. Bring it inside. 2 points. Nice pass. Here comes Gomez. On the low. Easy layup by number 30 Gomez. Here comes Rojo. Rojo. Inside. 2 points by Rojo. Here comes Gomez all alone. 2 points by number 30 Gomez. Time out. Number 30 Gomez. Pass to number 88 Bonus. 2 points by number 88 Bonus. Rojo. Pass to number 30 Gomez. Gomez. Steal drop shot. Let's go. 2 points by number 30 Gomez. Pass to number 2. Malman for 3. And 3. Rojo. Inside. 2 points by number 20 Rojo. Number 20. Pass inside to number 88 Bonus. Soft touch by number 88. Number 11 lumapas. Number 24, veteran move by number 24. Number 19. Number 19 pass to number 2. Corner, 2 points by number 2. Steal by number 24. Biduya. Biduya. Wala pass, pero nahuli. Nakakuha pa rin number 10. Number 10, nice pass inside. Tinalo na. Nakuha naman rin. Veteran move. Foul, counted. wala. Nakuha ni number 24, veteran moves. By the pass to Mones. Mones, side step move. Foul, basket, down. Del Rosario, wala rin. Nice pass to number 24, veteran moves. Number 24. Steal by number 18, Mones. Nice pass to number 11. Easy 2 points by number 11. Number 88, Mones. Mid-range shot. It's good. 2 points by number 21. Ito na ulit siya. Sasakta. 2 points by number 2. Gomez. Pass to number 21. Left shot. Number 11. Ball and it counts. Wala pa rin. Number 19. Drop shot. Wala pa rin. It was number 2. 2 points. Corner pass. Rojo. 2 points by Rojo. Steal by Rojo. Second personal foul by number 24. For 3. Bang. Here comes number 88, Mones. Mones, nice pass to number 11. Libre. 2 points by number 11. Victor. Basket. Score natin 60-83.